A lot of people ask me for core stability exercises, and we all know about working our abdominals, but a lot of people don't know how to work the backside of our spine. And there's an exercise we're going to demonstrate here in a moment called the bird dog. It's really big in rehabilitation. There is a progression, and I want to demonstrate that for you here in a moment. The key with the bird dog, it's going to activate all the muscles on the backside of your body. It's going to activate your hamstrings, your gluteal muscles, and all the muscles called the erector spinae muscles up along your back and even up into your arms and shoulders. I'd like to demonstrate how to do a proper bird dog, which is a core stabilization exercise and kind of the progression that we like to see in our office. So first we're going to go into on all fours, but we're going to find a nice neutral spine. Now, first of all, I always recommend, and I tell patients, to pretend like we have a little golf ball that we're going to put on your back. So when we do this exercise, we don't want that golf ball to roll off your spine when you're performing this exercise. If you do it properly, it's a lot harder than you might think. You might see people at the gym kind of throwing their arms and their legs up, and they could do 100 of these, but they're probably not doing it properly, and that golf ball would roll right off of their spine. So we get a nice neutral spine. The progression I like is we're going to tighten, or we're going to do a little abdominal brace. So we just tighten up here a little bit. Yeah, we're going to hold that, but again, you should be able to breathe, you should be able to speak while you hold that abdominal brace. Then we're going to extend our leg up. And this is going to get the hamstrings, gluteal muscles, and it's going to get the erector spinae muscles. Good, that looks perfect. And we're going to return it. Now, we could do it a few times on one side if you like, if you don't feel stable, or if you like, you could then alternate and come to the other side and just use this leg, the opposite leg, the left leg here. And as you notice, we're nice and neutral here and come back down. That golf ball would not roll off at all. Okay, so you can start off as a progression, just alternating right leg, left leg, right leg, left leg. Nice and deliberate, really neutral as you keep your abdominal brace and you keep that golf ball still there. Now, the progression to make it more difficult is now we start adding the arm, the opposite arm in. So as we go with, let's say, the right leg here, we're going to extend that up. Now we're going to go with the opposite left arm, and that's going to really activate this whole chain here and come back down. And as you can see, boom, perfectly neutral. You could alternate, and beautiful. And that golf ball would not roll off. Now, for some people, if you feel a little unsteady, you could just do repetitive movements on the one side. So you just go, just maybe the right leg and the left arm, and bring it back down. You could kind of sweep it in, and you could do that again. You could repeat that, okay? And once you feel really stable, then you could do the other side, and you could do a few repetitions that way. And then again, then you could start to progress with alternating arms and legs. But again, be really neutral, and I want to make sure that that ball does not roll off of your back.